I'm like, hey, let me go buy some more Solana. Hey, let me go buy some more of this altcoin. I don't think it's a bad thing, especially during a bear market. When the market's going down, that's when you want to be buying. You don't want to be buying when the market's going straight to the moon. So let's take a look at the chart and kind of figure out, I don't know, some type of idea of what's going on here. So pulling up the chart here on Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin at that $41,375 area. You can see Bitcoin up to the $68,000 earlier, well, in 2020. You can see all-time high on Bitcoin up around $68,000. Now, this is the daily chart, and we talked about recently this breakout over this $46,000 level. So Bitcoin actually ended up breaking out over $46,000, and then ever since has basically pulled back. So a bit of a bull trap there. But again, like I said, the goal here is to be buying when Bitcoin's going down, not when it's going straight to the moon. And that's, I think, exactly kind of the good opportunity that we have right here to be buying. If you're going to be buying Bitcoin, let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to hold it long term. Do you want to be buying when it's up here at the all-time high, or do you want to be buying it when it's down here? Basically, I think like at half the value. I mean, maybe a little less than that. So, I mean, yeah, almost 40%, 50% drop there on Bitcoin since all-time highs. So you're getting a discount, right? People get excited when there's a sale on cars, there's a sale on phones, there's a sale on clothes. But when Bitcoin's on sale, everyone's like, oh, no, not going to buy that. No way, nope, not going to touch that Bitcoin stuff. That's dangerous. I don't want to buy it. Well, you can see Bitcoin down there to the $41,000 area. If we look at the big picture, let's look at the monthly chart here on Bitcoin right now. The monthly chart looking, I mean, we've had some volatility, obviously. We went up, we went down, we went back up, we went back down. The problem is, if you look back at 2017, 2019, when you had these big moves up, you kind of just had a fizzle where it just kind of fizzled out and went lower. Similar to this move here, moving up and then fizzling and then finally getting that breakout to the upside. The problem now is, looking at this, like, does this look like it's about to fizzle out, or is this the higher low? So we had this $32,000 area low. We had this $36,000 area as the next higher low. We bounced off 32,000, but now we're kind of forming this $36,000 as that next higher low. So, comparing that to the previous moves, we really didn't have that type of price action. I think that comes with a couple of different things. You have a lot of indecision, a lot of fear in the world right now, especially, things like inflation, the war, and people wondering if the USA is going to maybe possibly try to ban cryptocurrency. What type of regulation are they going to put? Where recently they did talk about how, they're pro, like the government, the USA government basically talked about cryptocurrency, and it wasn't totally bearish. Like, they weren't totally against it. I think they see the value of, having Americans, having America on the front of the cryptocurrency forefront here, cryptocurrency movement. So Bitcoin is not the enemy of the state. I don't way the way I'm looking at right now. So, obviously we basically got this, I would say, channel going on right now, this trend that we got going here. Did you know that you can actually get a credit card, a cryptocurrency credit card that attaches to your crypto account? You can then earn interest. You can then earn rewards and all that fun stuff. Check it out at crypto.com. Really simple, really easy to sign up. You get 8% back on spending. I mean, they got a lot of different benefits and a lot of different bonuses depending on the tier that you end up buying into, or the debit card. I think, yeah, it's debit cards, not even credit cards. So if you want to learn more, check them out at crypto.com. Let's get back into the action here. And the idea here is if we can hold 41,000, we have that $48,000 resistance next. So it's kind of like ding, 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 ding. Market kind of goes doot, 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 and then we break to the upside. And then, upside target really should be, I would put upside target being, let's say, like for this move here, we went from this level here, let's just say from 32,000, we went up about 100%. So if we go up 100% from where we are now, we would look at, let's say, about $80,000, maybe a little higher. And if you look at how long this took on this last move, if we go from the 32,000 to the peak, it took around 5 bars, so around 5 months, 153 days. So putting this basically where we're